Also, guys, I wanted to share something very beautiful. So, everything is energy. Yeah, most of my talk will definitely now be on energy. I've understood energy and how. And then, of course, we know there is the sattvic energy, the rajas energy, and the tamasic energy. To kitni baar when I'm just, sitting at home, there are days when there is very little work and I'm just sitting at home and not doing much. That's the time I start feeling a void, and there's this unkahi restlessness or very depressing void that I go through. And I'm thinking कि यार meditation कर लिया, chant कर लिया, क्या चाहिए अभी, like why am I feeling this? It's because you are supposed to. There are times of the day wherein you're supposed to be sattvic, so like 4 बजे सुबह से लेके 8 बजे का जो टाइम होता है उसमें आपकी सात्विक एनर्जी इज़ नीडेड. आपकी बॉडी, आपका यूनिवर्स, द ब्रह्मांड इज आस्किंग यू टू बी इन कनेक्शन विद द inner self, the core, and that is your sattvic energy. Okay, from 8 o'clock in the morning to 4 p.m. in the evening, you are supposed to be in that rajasic, energy, rajas energy, wherein you are supposed to work. आपको कुछ प्रोडक्टिविटी दिखानी है, समथिंग कंस्ट्रक्टिव. यू हैव टू create, you have to move, you have to play the drama of this world. सो इवन संत जो वहाँ ऊपर बैठे कुछ नहीं करे ऐसा नहीं दे. आई हैव टू डू समथिंग इवन इफ़ इट मीन्स आप गार्डनिंग करो, आप कुछ भी करो, बट यू हैव टू बी इन मूवमेंट. आप उस नहीं तो अदरवाइज इफ़ दैट डज नॉट हैपन देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेज यू विल अपने आप गो इन टू दैट नेक्स्ट स्टेज एंड दैट इज़ द तामसिक एनर्जी. बिकॉज आपके अंदर वो लथार्जी आ जाएगी, यू विल गेट द लेजीनेस एंड यू वॉन्ट अंडरस्टैंड वॉट आर यू गोइंग टू डू विद दैट. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेन यू आर इन योर साधना, वेन यू आर विद योर क्रिया योग, आप जब आप हायर प्लेन में चले जाते हो, योर एनर्जी इज एज एन एलिवेटेड, आपकी एनर्जी एलिवेटेड रहती है. द वाइब्रेशन इज हाई. नाउ दैट हाई पावरफुल एनर्जी नीड्स some kind of a constructive pathway, a direction, and you need to do something in that, in your activity. Now if you don't do that, that gets into the lethargic laziness, and that's why you feel tamasic energy. Tamasic energy is very negative, very pulling you down energy, and that's not a very good place to be in, because you will not know, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा why you're feeling like this sometimes. So this is the reason now we are coming back to square one, energy. So it's all about how you transform your energy constructively, creatively, give it direction, give it momentum, give it a goal, give it a purpose. It could be anything. It could be something small like devote your time in reading some scriptures or a book or something that adds on to your wisdom, adds on to your, your little space of construction. So this is very important. Take it, take it, take it. I'm out in the open, and what a better way to talk and, share. Take care.